So friends, I want to talk to you about thread chasing the threads on a pump motor. This is a pump motor. This particular one had an odd wet end on it. But in the American pumps, aqua-flo, sta-rite, Vico, Waterway, the shaft size is exactly the same on all of them. The Chinese LX pumps are different. Those look very, very similar, but they're not. I offer a dye to thread chase to clean up the threads. So if you need to clean your threads up, we have that on the website. And basically what you would do, now this one is relatively clean, and you would use a dye tool, you know, that goes on here, or a pair of pliers or a wrench or whatever. Hold this and just turn that to clean the threads up. So I want to show you that. We're going to have these on the website. So if you click on the link down in the description, it will take you to this dye on the website, and you can see that's the outside, that's the inside, that's the part that goes on to clean the shafts up. That's how you'll clean this. Now you'll clean this with a file, and I have a video about how to clean that. I will put that in the link as well. Click it now. Hot Tub Parts of America. I'm the spa guy. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. Go there now.
And again, the spa guy saves the day.
Thanks, Spa Guy.
Your hot tub superhero.